Hi Felters, and welcome. Thank you so much for everyone who's watched my vlog the other day, and if you did, you may have seen me mention that I am getting a PO box. And the other thing I mentioned was the mushroom project, a community mushroom project. So I have got a big show at the end of this month called Yarn Dale. It's a 2-day event. I have purchased some crochet mushrooms just to do some bunting because I don't have time to make lots of mini needle felted mushrooms, and I would really love to have a needle felted bunting there. So I came up with the idea, and it's only if you want to, you do not have to. If anyone wants to send me a mushroom, a mini mushroom, I'm thinking 2D, so it could be flat, which would save you on postage, especially if you live abroad. So flat is absolutely fine. 3D is fine. Any colour, I don't mind. Red with dots, it can be purple with dots, it can be any type of mushroom. I really don't mind at all, just as long as it is a mushroom. And I was going to say as well, no bigger than about 5 inches sort of in height. Maybe a bit smaller would be better sort of for me to tie it on. But if you're the kind of person like me, I end up doing quite big felts. There's my mushroom kit mushroom. Yeah, no bigger than about 5 inches. I should be able to sort of tie it on. I will do all the ties. Don't worry about that. I will sew the ties through the top, and I will have the cord to put it on. But I just felt it would be a lovely representation of everybody's work and represent sort of needle felting. I'm going to put your first name, I'm going to do a little tag, and I'll put your first name on it and whereabouts you're from, say like Dorset, UK or something like that. And I also have crafts in the pen in November. So I've got that coming up. So there's no hurry to send anything in. It's just if you wanted to. And this bunting we will keep forever. I will continue to add to it. If you see this video in a year's time or 2 years' time, I will continue to add to the bunting. I think it would just be so wonderful to see everybody's mushrooms all together. And I will put it up in my studio when it's not at craft fairs. But it's something that, number one, it's going to help me out because I haven't got, like I said, I haven't got time to felt 20 mini mushrooms that I'm not going to sell them. You know, I'm going to keep it. It's a display item. But I also think it's a lovely way for the community to get together and everyone to see everyone else's felts. I always find that really exciting. When I did workshops, I asked people to bring some of their own creations in, and it was just lovely. So my PO box is going to be open on the 9th. So try not to send anything for another 5 days. It's in the description below. But it's going to be there. I've got it for 3 months. So do check if you see this in the future that I still got it, because I have to pay for it. So I'm going to see if my business can afford to pay for it basically every month. But it will be in the description below. So it's Felts by Philippa, PO box. Let me actually read it out for you. PO Box 298, Holmfirth, HD9 9FW, UK, England. So there we go. And thank you so much to everybody that's already put comments on saying they will send one. So we're definitely going to have a bunting with at least, or a garland with at least 20 mushrooms on it. And I'm going to do one as well. So, but I hope you like that idea. Any comments below, any questions you have, like I said, I don't mind what colour it is. What kind of mushroom it is, whether it's 2D or 3D. Like I said, if you're posting from America, a 2D one might be better value for you to post. Just post it as cheap as you can. You know, don't worry about it. Don't worry about speed of it getting here. But yeah, any questions, put them in the comments below. And thank you so much. And I'm really excited and looking forward to this. So take care, everybody, and see you soon.